Ganesh festival, Ganesh Utsav is all around the corner. Today is the first day of Ganesh Utsav. Devotees all around India and also far away from India are celebrating this festival with great enthusiasm. We Kashmiris also celebrate the festival and we call it Pann Pooza. In our cuisine, we prepare Roat as Bhog Prasad for Ganesha and Gorja Mata. This is offered to the goddess and Lord Ganesha. Roat has the same emotion in Kashmiri cuisine as Modhak has in Maharashtrian cuisine. We also prepare laddus for Ganesha. Today in this video, I'll show you how to healthify your Roat. Namaskar, welcome to Healthify My Cuisine and Lifestyle. My name is Seema. I'm a passionate health educator. I don't teach you anything. I just make you to revise the things which you already know. Let's begin with the recipe without wasting much time. For making this Mahaprasadam, I have taken whole wheat chakki atta 1 kg, suji 1 cup, poppy seeds for garnishing, madhuram or jaggery powder and pure desi cow ghee. Let's mix the ingredients. For 1 kg of atta, I have taken 1 cup of suji, then I'll add some baking powder and baking soda in it. We'll also put some salt in it and we'll continue mixing it. Authentication of the recipe is the soul of any cuisine, but today's time demands some changes. We put black cardamom as well as small cardamom for the flavors as the authentic recipe demands. Both chakki atta as well as whole wheat suji is rich in fiber. Fiber is good for our health. We also put dry coconut as a dry fruit in this. It tastes good when a bite comes in your mouth. Very thin slices of this dry coconut are put here. For this measurement, I'll take almost 1.5 cup of jaggery and break it down for any lumps. We'll also put 2.5 cups of water to dissolve the jaggery completely. You can also warm the water. You don't need to make 𝗙cie. Just make sure that the water is little warm. We'll put 1 cup of ghee, pure desi ghee in the recipe. Ghee is a good fat and it's very necessary for the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Give it a good mix. Ghee has very high smoke points and it can be reused. Oil cannot be reused. That provides you with triglycerides. Mix it well, add the jaggery and knead it well. Knead the atta well as you do for Roat. I am showing the healthier version for the people who are continuously striving for making their lives better. All this means a lot to those people who try from every side, from every sphere to make their lives better. We'll bake this Roat in the oven. Preheat the oven at 180 and we'll bake this Roat at 180 degrees Celsius for almost 40 minutes. Please keep checking because I have taken this big roll of the dough and this is very thick, that's why it takes 40 minutes. Keep checking, make the cuts in the Roat like this so that it's evenly cooked and it does not puff up in the oven. Believe me, it tastes so good. You will not be able to differentiate between this Roat and a cookie. In the same way, you can put the laddus also and let them get baked there. In the meantime, I turned the Roat upside down and for 10 more minutes it went to the oven. I'll also show you the fried version. I'll fry it in ghee and I have fried almost 7 Roat in this ghee and this ghee can be utilized. Here the cookies or the Roat as well as the laddus both are ready and we'll go and offer it to Lord. I thank you all the group members for your beautiful contribution to this wonderful video. For all the authentic Kashmiri cuisine recipes, you can log on to Kalpana Fotedars kitchen. I'll update the link in the description box below. She has a wonderful recipes there. I know we have so many emotions with these prasads, with our cuisine, but today's sedentary lifestyle is demanding some changes in the cuisines so that it becomes in favor of our life. My dear friends, they are suffering with heart diseases should not consume it. Even if they want, they can have a bite. Portion control is always a good option. It's a wise decision. Those suffering with diabetes can have this roat, but the timing is very important. You can have this in your breakfast. Please do not have such delicacies, such prasads after sunset. It will be difficult for you to utilize the glucose. So, stay healthy, stay fit, healthify your cuisine and lifestyle, and live a happy long life. If you like the video, please do share with your family and friends for their betterment. If you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and help me reach more people. I'm a homemaker empowering all other homemakers. Thank you so much for watching till the end.